Well, hello YouTube and welcome back to Style with Nina. I am so excited you decided to click and watch my video. So on today's video, this video is going to be just a quick unboxing on my Yeezys 350 V2. This is my very first time actually getting a pair of Yeezys. And when I say getting a pair, I mean from the actual Adidas store. I do have some V1s, but I didn't get them from the Adidas store. So anyway, I'm excited. I have been trying to get these shoes or a pair of Yeezys for probably 6 months. So I'm kind of late to the party, you guys. This drop was probably at least a month ago, at least. And I'm just now getting around to unboxing. A lot been happening. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know it's been a lot going on. So anyway, getting caught up with my video thing. But yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So again, these are the Yeezys. I mean, you can see that by the title. So I'm just going to go ahead and open them up. They are called the Citrin, or Citrin. I don't know how you pronounce them correctly. I got them in a size 8. Hopefully they fit. I decided to get an 8 because I am a women's US 9. And I was told, just per research and my son, that if you go down a size in men, they should fit. So that's what I did. So here are the shoes. I love the color. I am going to stop rambling. Let me see if I can fit this. So this is probably the most ratchet try on. What happened to, why can't y'all see me? What happened? What happened? Okay. I don't know what happened. I'm using my Apple Watch to see what y'all see. So this is a try on. This is, listen, the most ratchet try on you're going to get. Listen, keeping it real. That's it. I hope y'all can see it. I'm limber though, y'all. Y'all see this? What happens when you go to the gym? You be real limber or whatever. So, I'm so tired of being silly. But they feel comfortable. Like, I like the way they feel. They feel like they run close to the same as the V1. So if you know what size you are in the version 1s, you will be that same size in V2, in my opinion. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this semi-ratchet hilarious video. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say about them other than I love them, and I think I cracked the code on how to get them. I want to wait until the next drop, which I hear is Black Friday. I don't know how true that is. But so if I get those, then I know that I know how to get them. And then I'll share with y'all the easy way to get them. So that's it. I'm about to be, I already told my husband, every Yeezy that come out, I'm about to be buying them. Because I just love these so much. I love these. If I was smart, I would resell them. Because I do resell. But they're so hard to get. Authentic ones, let me say that, because there's not hard to get the fake ones, that I just want to keep a pair. So these are the ones. And then black, who knew that I love black shoes so much? I like black everything, so I guess I would like the black shoes. But yeah, I love these. So hopefully I love these as well. I'm wondering, I got to do some research whether I can use some fabric protectant on it. I'm kind of concerned about the sole. So I don't know if I need to protect the sole before I spray it. So I'm gonna do a little research before I destroy my shoe, and then I'll be on here crying or starting a new trend, who knows. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. You probably couldn't hear that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you stay stylish and stay fabulous, and make sure you follow me on the Instagram at Style with Nina. And if you really want to know what's going on with me, make sure not only are you following me, but you are watching my Instagram stories. That is where it's popping. That's where you really get to see my personality. You really get to see me on a everyday basis. I tend to post on IG stories every day. I don't even post as much on Instagram as I do IG stories. So anyway, that's my plug. I'm done. Have a great day. Mwah.